sadly, back in May, we had this sight right here, which was Eli Tomac rupturing his Achilles and losing the championship because of it, let's be honest. Uh, it's sad. I mean, you won't watch that video over and or watch the replay of it, and he had the race lead, the command, the championship lead, everything, and boom. And now we're October 2nd, I think today is exactly, we have that. We have the first video of him actually riding again. I think it was like July something, beginning of July, he posted on Instagram of him actually standing on it and, doing some rehab kind of stuff. So we're talking May, June, July, August, September. Who knows when he actually started riding. So that's 4-ish months for a ruptured Achilles to be back on the bike and riding. Man, it's going to be great to see him back, because if you watch the Dirt Shark LA Coliseum video, which is always good. I mean, I love Dirt Shark videos in general, but there's like a little interview with him saying you go from like being sad to depressed to being over racing, and then he's like, at this point, I'm ready to be back out there, and it's good to see. Next year is going to be with Chase, the rematch with that, Jet up in the 450s, Eli coming back, Cooper on the Yamaha again. It's going to be a great year, hopefully. But in the comments below, you tell me, who do you think is going to win? How well do you think Tomac's going to do coming back? He's going to be in shape. It's just going to be, is he going to be up to speed and up to at least, Chase and Jet speed? Because they've shown to be super fast right now. So in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Is he going to be back and competitive, or is this going to be kind of a sad little 2-year excursion of past the prime or whatever? Or just comment anything you want down below. And as you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.